Hi ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to start the GIMP tutorial series. During this tutorial series we're going to learn the photo editing skills using GIMP, and hopefully you're going to discover a lot of techniques using GIMP. So now in the first tutorial we're going to start from the installation of GIMP. You can find this, let me go back to how I found this page. You can write the GIMP download to the Google search and then you click on the first link, and later on you're going to go to down and click on this orange button, and it will directly download the installation file. After we complete downloading, I'm going to go to downloads and then click on the download. Now I'm going to select the install for all users, all install for me only, so you can select any of them, and we will just select yes. And it's going to tell us which language do you want for installation. I go with English, and then when I click install it will do the rest. So while it installs, I can mention about what version are we using. Now we are installing 2.1020 which is released in this time, and you can find also other versions which are before the 2.1020, so you can find 2.10, 2.8, and you can also find the language packages and on. But you will be fine by clicking this orange button. If you are using English, that will be good. After installation ends, we're gonna click on the finish, and now from the desktop I will find the icon. So I click on this, we will launch the program for the first time, and this is our first look to the GIMP. And when you look at this, it's a black gray background. On the left side we have the icons, on the right side we have layers and then other tool options. Before I start customizing the window, I can show you also one tip that you can use for switching your window. There's a single window, or there is also more windows that you can work with. And if you uncheck this example, it's going to make this in a 3 parts. On the left, as I said, toolbar, the font, layers and others, and in the middle part we have the workspace where we edit our photo. Or you can click on this window one more time, and then single window mode, it's going to return it will be all together. Now let's customize our interface. I'm going to go to edit and the preferences. And here on the left we have the group ones. On the right, related to selection, you will have the properties. And I would like to take you quickly to image import and export. From here, when you finish editing with the photo, how you want to export that, PNG, JPEG or other formats. I like to export my photos as a JPEG. Let's go to default image. Here, when you open a new image, and how you want to open this, in which size you want to open that. There are templates already available. You can go with the full HD size or 4K, how you wish. So you can just select that, or you can write this manually. And here we can go to interface, and we can continue with the theme. As you see, there are dark, gray, light and system. And you can switch them among, and then you can just see how they look like. I like to use the dark. This is my favorite. And let's go with the icon theme. Here you see there are icons available. You can also change the way they look. Colorful, legacy, or some different ways. I like to go with the legacy. And by the way, you can also change the size of them. As you see, there is a option here. You can select the custom icon size. The medium size is going to be good for you. And from the toolbox, I can show you these use tool groups. When you check this, when you make this selected, they will be all grouped together here. Or you can also make this on hover. When you hover over, it will just show you in a menu. Or you can directly click on this use tool groups. You can uncheck this and it's going to expand all the group ones. You can also check these boxes to see the active brush and to see also active image. So you can see it over there. Here on the most tab we have the show GIMP logo. If you uncheck this, our logo will be disappeared from here, or when you check this, GIMP will come back. And also here is the which was the default checked, the foreground and the background color. We will need that all the time. We will able to change the colors, and we will also see which color is my brush. Now after we set those things, we can click on OK. And now in this tutorial we have prepared our photo editing program, and in the next tutorial we will start learning photo editing techniques. Hope to see you in the next tutorial. See you later. Bye bye.